Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Usually, there are always three sides to a story: your side, my side, and the truth. In this case, we are referring to Mrs. Obiano's side, the Spain diplomat side, that's late Ojukwu's wife's side, that's Bianca Ojukwu's side of the story, then the truth. All this while, Nigerians have been relying so much on the camera or the videos that trended on how the slaps, began and what led to it. Of course, Mrs. Bianca had already spoken, or Miss Bianca have already spoken her own version of the story. Now hear the version of Ebele Obiano's story, and of course, don't forget they've given her 7 days ultimatum to apologize. The moment you're going to find out exactly what she said. I don't know, we'll have to collaborate it with also the videos we watched to now know the truth. But before we go into the newspaper, like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, Ebele Obiano gives her side of the story after Bianca Ojukwu slapped her. Well, Miss Ebelechukwu has spoken out following her fight with Miss Bianca Ojukwu at the inauguration of Charles Soludo as the governor of Anambra State. Speaking about the events of March 17, Ebele said that she actually left her seat to greet Bianca, but the latter reacted to her greeting by slapping her. According to a statement released by Ebele Obiano spokesperson, Ebele Obika, the wife of the former governor of Anambra State, said all she did was approach the former beauty queen for their usual friendly batters, only to be slapped and pushed by her. She wondered what brought about so much anger and so much hate that would cause a former diplomat to be unable to manage herself in public. Well, Mrs. Obiano stated that she didn't bother returning the slap. Instead, she walked away in utter bewilderment. Okay, let's observe the video. Let's look at the video very closely. Don't forget that for Bianca Ojukwu's own, we all heard her own version of the story. She said that early in the morning that she perceived that she was already drunk, that she started taking alcohol that early. She said that she came in and harassed her, so she had to defend herself. So probably may have to depend on the video to judge for herself. But a lot of people have decided to, of course, react to her version of the story. This one here is saying, please, who was shouting at Shawo that day? I've been at the person where videoed the event. I'm just respectfully asking, I beg. It's what asking, because I also heard that Shawo said. This one here is saying, that's not true. That waka no be waka of greeting. This one here say, we no believe. Another person here say, nah lie. This one here say, just like that, even your waka looks like trouble. This one here says, so much lies in this statement. That slap was epic. This one here says, che, why are you lying? Another person say, who talk at Shawu? This one here say, are you there? This one here say, damage control. This one here say, I love her statement, even if not lie, but her spokesperson tried. This one here say, the slap enter, be no enter. This one here say, madam, carry food, go give your husband for EFCC cell first before you begin to. Nigerians say, alright, but you have heard it all. A lot of people have been talking about it on social media. All of them are basically saying the same thing, that based on the video that trended and Bianca Ojukwu's version of the story and her version of the story, everybody seems to be saying that it's a case of damage control. Some person said the way she walked down there doesn't look like a walk of mere greeting, but looks more like a walk of going to look for trouble. Other people are saying that who used those words like Ashawo, you couldn't have just walked away. They practically separated you both. But that's going to wrap it up. What's your take on her version If this is the nearest to apology that they gave her a 7 days ultimatum to apologize to her sacrilegious, quote unquote, what youths of Southeast had given her 7 days to apologize to that sacrilegious act or face the music. I guess this is the closest to the apology the Southeastern group may be getting from her. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in that conversation.